Hi, my name is Elton Borges. I'm from Boston. I'm living here in America now for 23 years. 3 weeks. We did was 3 weeks training, and then now we're back for 2 more weeks. It feels. We are more confident now doing it. This extra 2 weeks. It's been very helpful. It's a lot of things that I kind of didn't get it at the first time, but now, it's kind of clear a little bit better now in my head. Yeah, it was really nice that we didn't have to pay for this extra help, and we really appreciate that. Yeah, we did like 2 cars. We work on 2 cars because we have another business, and that we didn't have much time to do PDR back home. But now we're probably gonna start doing more work as we came here for these 2 weeks. We got a little more confident, doing PDR now. Yeah, it help a lot. Yeah. Yes, it's very important to keep practicing. Yeah, because once you keep practicing and then you keep doing better, you're getting better every day. Yeah, thank you, Dean King. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.